Hi, my name is Ari Ejala. Today I would like to show you how I made this night lamp. I bought some pieces of 5/16 in thick acrylic from online supplier. One 4x4 in piece cost about $1. I bought 10, but you'll only need 3 for this build. I wanted to use birch for the wooden parts, but you can go with whatever species of wood you like. I ripped some 3/4-inch birch lampboard to 4-inch width. By the way, this is the first time you can see my old table saw in action. If you want to have a closer look at the saw, you can pause the video and click the link in the upper right hand corner or the link in the description. I thought about trying to cross cut the boards on the table saw, but decided that miter saw is a safer option. You'll need 5 4x4-inch pieces of wood. You need to cut a hole in middle of all the acrylic pieces and in three of the wooden pieces. You'll need the holes to have a space for the LED lights that are going inside. If you are planning on using some other source of light, take in mind the heat production. You don't want to burn your house for a night light. I first tried to cut the holes with a small hole saw, but my drill press wasn't cooperating with me, so I switched to Forstner bits. I started with a smaller Forstner bit and moved to a bigger one, so I would need to take too much material out at a time. It seemed that the acrylic melted away rather than cutting out, but it seemed to work out alright at the end. The final hole is about 1 inch. If you have better solution for cutting acrylic, let me know in the comment section below. I cleaned the burr around the holes in the acrylic pieces with a knife before I started to glue up the pieces. I used 5-minute epoxy to glue up the pieces. Remember to thoroughly mix the epoxy. You'll need 1 piece of wood without a hole for the top, then just glue the pieces of acrylic and wood with holes. Don't glue the last piece of wood without a hole. Just attach the last piece with screws. Next you'll need to sand the cube. You can sand it by hand, but I'm too lazy for that, so I palm sanded it. First I removed bulk of the excess material with 40 grit sandpaper and finished everything with a 120 grit sandpaper. Next I drilled a small hole for the power cord in the seam of the bottom piece. After sanding I cleaned the cube and treated it with paraffin oil, and I think it looks great on this birch. After the oil has dried, I removed the bottom piece and stuffed the LED lights inside. I used the hole I cut previously to run the power cord from the cube. I think this turned out really nice, and it took only about 2 hours to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. And you can subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.